Hi team, I'm Shiva. So I'm certified data cloud consultant. I have 3 years of experience in data cloud. I'm now working in Salesforce. So today in this session, I'll just show you the demo. What is meant by Salesforce Data Cloud and all those stuff. I'll just share my screen once. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, it's visual.
Uh, so just a second. So it's not moving. Yeah. Just a minute. Slide was not moving. So let's discuss what is meant by CDP before going to Salesforce Data Cloud. So is anybody guys know what is meant by customer data platform? Any idea on that?
Yeah, sure. I have an idea. So CDP is all about collecting the user data from all the services which we have.
Mhm. Yeah. So it is invented by David Rabb. So it's nothing but a SaaS platform, software as a service. So the use of this CDP platform is to get the data from the disparate sources and combine that particular data and unify the data, and better it creates more insights and views the 360 degree of the customer, and send you engagement through different type of engagement platforms. So it is nothing but the data is getting unified into the platform. Let's say what is meant by the unification. Okay, so let's say I'm running a business. I'll just give an example. Okay, so running a sari business. It's called, let's take an example of Kala Mandir. Okay, so I'm running the business. I don't have any type of CDP platforms and anything. I'm not using anything. So I want to send different type of campaigns. Like I want to do the marketing of my business. Okay, so I will do my marketing by doing traditional and in the digital way. So traditional is in the sense uh, like banners and pamphlets, so that we give to all the you customers, right, on roads and everything. That is called as traditional marketing. And digital marketing, we all know, right, sending advertisements and uh, like Facebook, Instagram, and XYZ, like we are using the mobile apps, right? So so all the world now using were into the digital marketing only. So what I want to do is I want to send the campaign. This is my new, let's say I'm the beginner into the market. So all of the people don't know my brand actually. So what I want to do is I will do the traditional marketing, and then I'll come to the digitalized, and I'll be sending few campaigns through Facebook, advertisement campaigns like Facebook, Instagram, and all those things. All the people who are which app is more frequent and which is more popular. Okay, so I don't know that whether the particular person is viewing the campaign and coming to my store and purchasing my product. Okay, let's say I had sent few campaigns through emails and SMS. I took the different type of data, like I took third party data. I just purchased the third party data. I don't know whether they are live or not in this particular in this world. So I'm frequently sending the campaigns through emails, to through SMS and everything. It's my cost is getting increased, but no, my revenue is not getting back. So what is the this is these are the most worst cases, right? Whether they are purchasing that if, when I was sending the campaigns, I'm not getting the that particular response from the particular user. So this is the drawback without CDP. Okay, so let's say what actually happens. Okay, let's say how CDP actually works. Okay, before that, so I have having the physical store and I have a website. Okay, so I'm a person called Shiva. I'm coming to the store to buy a sari. Okay, so I bought a small shirt or pant. So I just given my PI over there, like I just gave a name as Shiva J and my email address and mobile number. After a week, I just I like that particular product and I just want to view it in my website and want to buy it in online. Okay, I just came again to the website and given my name and mobile email and only email. Okay, okay, I just give you only email. Let's try. Actually, in the presentation, it is there in mobile number. Let's say I didn't give my mobile number. Okay, let's consider that. Okay. Uh, so let's say to my business, I don't know. I know, like I know that this Shiva J is different and this Shiva is J different, right? So what actually happens is I will be sending the uh twice. Like I will be considering the this Shiva is different and this Shiva is different. Okay. So what I will do is I'll double the communication. Like I'll be sending repeated communication to you. Okay. So what actually happens is it is a cost that will be putting double on this particular single customer. Okay. So by CDP we will be unifying the profile by writing few match rules and reconciliation rules in that particular platform, and we will be unifying that profile. Let's at last it will be considered that this particular Shiva is not same Shiva, not different Shiva. It is only one Shiva coming from the store and website. Is it clear? So after unification, so there will be the data security. Let's say we can say that before using CDP we had took data from different second party and third party sources, like and sending the communications, right? And but in the CDP we won't use like third party or second party data, only we will only use the first party data. And there will be more data security will be there in that. There no like extracting of data to and giving the data to the third person. And there will be like we'll be sending the relevant content. Let's say I bought the data from the store and we had already unified the data. Okay, so what actually happens, we had already unified the data. Then what is the next step was, um, let's say i'm a uh, I'm a man. I was trying to uh, I was purchasing only shirt or pant, right? I won't purchase sari and everything, right? So what actually happens? So before CDP, what we were able to like what actual campaigns would be sending is, let's say I'm the Shiva, I'm more interested in shirt and pant. So neither than sending the campaign of shirt or pant, sending me the sari is a irrelevant content, right? It's not, it is a useless thing happening. So what we will do is, we already know that Shiva is more interested in shirt and pant. So what we'll do, there is a feature called segmentation in the data cloud. So we will be segment the people who are interested in shirt or pant, so that the users who are all purchased or interested in this men sections will be coming and sitting in that particular segment. So we can create the multiple segments over there. We can do like the we can create the woman category, like who are interested in saris, who are interested in kurtis, like that. By segmenting this, we'll be sending that same relevant content to that particular customer is the relevant, like through email IDs or like based upon their PII. We can send many type of campaigns, like we can send the advertising campaigns and everything. By this, after CDP, after using this CDP, we can get the amount, like it is called nothing but called as ROS, return on ad spend. So the amount that had spent on this particular ad or a campaign, that will be coming back by sending the relevant content to the particular customers or purchase customer. Okay, so we will be sending the personalized campaign, and by that the customer will get satisfied by this. Okay, so let's say how actually data cloud works now. So we will be ingesting the data from disparate sources. Like I'm already a business person, right? I'm running a Kalamandir saris right now. Okay, so I have a website and a CRM unit. Like I'm using the uh, data to store in like I'm using CRM platform, Salesforce CRM platform to store the data. Okay, so I will be integrating that CRM data and website data so that that data get embedded into the platform, and then let's say I'm a user, I can come from the website or a mobile app. Okay, so website or a store. So by that, I'll be harmonizing that. Harmonizing is data, nothing but data mapping. Like I will be telling you in the few other steps. So this particular process happens, and I will do the unification. And let's say I'm a user, I'm a customer. I'm a previous customer. Like I just purchased 2 years back. So I have to retain that customer. It is in we know retaining and churn, right? Retain is in the sense we have to the customer who always should be there into the organization. We have to retain them, and the churn. Like I just came. I just purchased 2 years back, and I had just left this brand. So I will be coming to the churn category. I will be sending the campaigns to the category who are in the churn, right? Okay. I already told you I'm the person purchased 2 years back. Okay, and now what I will do in the data cloud is I will be writing a calculated insight. I will be writing the some type of SQL query over there, and we'll be creating a segment who purchased 2 years back or 3 years back, so that uh, based upon their based upon their more favorite things, like more interested product that whether the customers are interacted or purchased. So we will be sending the a personalized campaign, like 2 years back or this particular period of time you had already purchased. Now you're not purchasing. We are having a particular offer of 20% if you buy this my product. So by this we'll be giving more than more offers by getting the historical data. Okay, we'll be getting the data. Yeah, sorry. So we will be activating the data to the engagement channel. There are many type of engagement channels, right? Like marketing cloud and different type of apart from marketing cloud, we are having more engage and different type of platforms which can send email campaigns, SMS, and push notifications and everything, right? So we will be using that particular platforms, and we'll be sending the campaigns. That is different, but the job of data cloud is only segmenting the data and activating the data. Is that clear till here?
Yeah, I have a question, Shiva.
Yes.
So once we do the unification, how we will send the data back to Marketing Cloud or Sales Cloud, Service Cloud? Do we have anything for that?
Yes. So you are telling that okay. So we can get the data from disparate sources, and we can send the data into the disparate sources. Let's say I'm getting the data from Marketing Cloud. Okay, let's say I have some data in Marketing Cloud. I will be connecting this Marketing Cloud to Data Cloud, and data will cloud that Marketing Cloud's data will be sitting in the Data Cloud. Okay, I will be doing a few other actions like unification, all those stuff. So I will be segmenting the data, and I'll again connect the data at activation target. There is a feature called activation target in Data Cloud, so that by activating that, I'll in that activation target I will select the Marketing Cloud. I'll give all those Marketing Cloud credentials, and I'll just send it to the Marketing Cloud.
Got it, Shiva. So we can send it to personalization also, right?
Yes, yes.
Got it.
So personalization is not an engagement platform, right? It is only just like it is same like a CDP. We are having on-set personalization. You can do just I think we can't. It's not an engagement platform, right? Nothing to send. We
So
can
how
get the
about the email
we can
studio?
send
Email
also.
studio is engagement.
Yes. So marketing cloud is same like like data cloud is separate module and marketing cloud is a separate module. Okay, in that email studio is a thing, is a feature that we can send emails, and there is a mobile connect and everything will be there, right, in the advertising studio in the marketing cloud. So in data, so by uh, activating the data from data cloud, we can see that particular data which is in the marketing cloud in the shared data extensions, so that we can use in in the different ways, like we can use in email studio, in SMS, advertising studio, everything in journey builder and everything.
Okay, so where we should write the logic for profile unification in the data cloud? Do we have anything to write the
So
logic?
yes, there is a feature called, I'll just show you. Okay, so okay, I'll just show you one thing. So here i'll, I'll just can you give
Uh,
me some time? I'll just
I see.
continue.
Sorry to
Yeah.
disturb. Shall we complete this session? Then after that, we'll take the 15 minutes question answer session.
Okay. Yeah, thanks. So till this so let's say I'll just tell you one thing here for your questions. So there is a features called data source object, data lake object, data model objects, and then unification, and there will be the calculated insight and segmentation and activation. Okay, so in the data sources we can select the data, some from which data source we want to get the data from. So we can get from personalization, marketing cloud, we can get from CRM, and different type of APIs, S3 bucket, like different type, like we have having three clouds, right? S3, Azure, and GCP. So by using, like, we can integrate websites even through SDKs. Okay, so these are called as data source object. Okay, there is a data lake object that I will be explaining about it later. So by this we can connect the data, and by and Salesforce is having uh, different type of feature called canonical data model. Okay, even I'll explain this again later, so that we will be mapping the data to canonical data model. We'll be writing few logics in the identity resolution, we'll be unifying the data. After the unification, we can predict the data and act on the data. Okay, so predicting is in the sense I will be writing different type of logics. Let's say I can write a logic called lifetime value of a customer. Okay, I have millions of customer rate, like let's take, I have 10,000 members of customers in my business. Okay, so I want to know what is the uh, total spend of each customer. Let's say total lifetime value, I am the customer, I'm purchasing from 3 to 4 years. Okay, I have purchased so many times, I need the total value of my each customer. So we can write the many logics in calculated insights, so that we'll be getting that particular value, and we'll be converting it to the segment, and we'll act on the data, like we will be activating the data. Okay, so we can do many type of use cases here. Okay, so let's say I'm the person, I'm coming through the website. Okay, let's say I'm an anonymous user. Come, I just got an ad. I'm a frequent user of Facebook. Okay, I just see the ad of Kalaminder, I just click on particular ad. I will be directly landing into the website. Okay, what actually processed, like uh, I that particular website or a cookie, I'll just appear to the data cloud only as a cookie. Okay, like cookie 1 2 3 4, I'm unknown user. Okay, so what actually does in the data cloud, let's say I just came first time, I just browsed few things, I can view what I'm actually doing, like I'm which action that is done in the website, that is already that will be tracked in the data cloud. So I don't know this particular person, I know it is only a cookie 1 2 3 4, I can't send any type of campaign. But in the personalization we can send the pop-ups or a web personalization, right? But in the data cloud we can't do that. So I don't know this particular user, whether he is known, whether he is Shiva. I don't know his name. I don't know anything. His PI and personal information. Okay. So after a week, I just came again to this particular website. So from the same cookie 1 2 3 4, I'll be giving my email address and name. Okay. So then s- data cloud automatically identifies this 1234 is not a cookie. His name is Shivakumar, and there will be a SFID, Salesforce ID, attaching to that particular cookie ID and name and email address. So by this we can uh, 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 change the anonymous user to known user. Like I will be showing into the in the platform how it actually works, and we can track the website, like coming to like by writing the schema and sitemap. So we can track all the action that is done in the website, and we can do different type of use cases like kata banners. I'm the user coming to the website, I'm adding this particular shirt or pant into my cart by segmenting those kata like that kata banners, and I'll be sending the same type of communication. Yeah, hey buddy, you had added this shirt into the cart, there is a 20% discount, please come and purchase. These type of campaigns that can be done. And I just told you, right, lifetime value. And now RFM score. RFM is nothing but recency frequency monetary. Like it's like how recency is nothing but how recent, what is the last purchase it is. Frequency is nothing but whether this particular person is uh, coming to my store or a website buying my product weekly, or that the time period, right, weekly, monthly, yearly. You can calculate that. And monetary is nothing but it's a total lifetime value. So by combining these recency frequency, monitor will be in three, will be coming into the three columns. Okay, so that we can calculate, and we can do by these we can do different type of segment, those who are the last, let's say now we are getting the Raksha Bandhan, right? Festival, I can segment the data in the last Raksha Bandhan particular date, or in that particular period of time how many people had purchased. Now I'll be sending the same uh, campaigns to those customers who are purchased for the 2023 Raksha Bandhan. And like we can put by using data transforms, we can put, let's say there is let's say few people, my I'll be categorizing the things like bronze, silver, and gold. Like bronze is like who purchase who are less than 1,000, and silver is between 2,000 to 5,000, and gold will be more than 5,000. Like that, I will be categorizing, and in data transform, we'll be putting those users into in by their values. Okay, we can do those things in the use cases. And till here, any questions? So, buddy, somebody had asked that question. Can you please ask me again? Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Somebody asked me a question, right? I'm sorry, it had been stopped in middle. Can you please repeat that question? Okay, I'll just move ahead. So these type of use cases will be done, real-time use cases. So we will be giving a demo website. I will be showing how to track the interactions in the website and into the platform near real time. Okay, and there are many type of features like first of all we'll be we'll be provisioning a new demo org. And in the demo org we'll be setting the user setup and everything, the data cloud provisioning, like how can you tell. So we can in one data cloud, or we can create many type of users, right? So we can create many users in the setup, and after that we'll be getting the data insight. And second one is sorry, something was missed here, just a second. Okay, So after account provisioning, we will be ingesting the data from disparate sources like Amazon S3 website and GCP. Will be integrating the things. Okay, after that we'll be doing data transform. Data transform is nothing but let's say we'll be getting data from different, like I already told you, right? Like we'll be putting the data in different units like silver, bronze, and all those things. We can do those things. We can do many of things. This is one of the example of that. And I already told what is meant by data modeling, right? Like there will be canonical data. Let's say I'll give you an example. Okay, uh, I'm getting the data like in the different fields like first name, last name. Like it could be the spelling which will be different while ingesting the data. Okay, so every time while ingesting the data, the spelling will be different in while ingesting the data. So Salesforce has a feature called canonical data model. He already Salesforce had already introduced that like inbuilt feature. Like there is a standard spellings and standard words over there. So we will be mapping that first name to first name over in the canonical data model. We'll be doing the mapping, and then you asked a question called how the unification had been done in the Salesforce Data Cloud. Okay, so there is a uh, feature called identity resolution. Okay, so in that identity resolution, we'll be writing a different type of rule sets over there. So in what we can write, let's say I'll be writing a match rule. Okay, so in the previous example, let's show you. So in this previous example, let's say in the store I have my name is Shiva, and the website it is Shiva Kumar Jonnala. Let's speak. Okay, what happens? How can I write the match flow over here? Okay, let's consider in the website I didn't give my mobile number. Okay, how can I write a rule set? So what I will write the rule set it if the email address and name matches, like there is a fuzzy logic. Okay, I'll be explaining that later. So I'll be writing if the two different sources have the same email address, that should be getting unified. Or if the same mobile number from the different sources is matching, that also should be unified. So by this we can write the match rules and we can unify the data. And next is calculated insights. Okay, so in this we can calculate the multi-dimensional metrics. uh, like I already told you, like we can calculate the lifetime values and RFM scores and many more. And there is a two types, like we can write through SOQL and or there is a option called visual builder there is a drag and drop thing. We can create those insights in that that also. And other thing is we will be creating these insights and we'll converting it into the segments, like already explained, right? Like if I was interested in a shirt up, and I'll be creating one category who are more interested in shirts. I'll be writing this few logics in segments, and those particular users will be coming and sitting in this particular segment, and I will be acting on that particular segment. And last one is activation. So we'll be creating, let's say what is meant by activation and activation target. Okay, so let's say I had already created these segments, right? So how can I send the communication? Will be getting a question. Salesforce Data Cloud will not send the communication. Okay, only the data will be activated to the engagement channels or different type of like disparate sources. Okay, it is only those campaigns will be only sent by the engagement channel. Let's say I'll be taking the marketing cloud. Okay, I'll be connecting this marketing cloud. I'll be setting up a marketing cloud engagement in activation target by giving its credentials and everything. And then I will be activating these segments will be appear in uh, marketing cloud after this activation. So this will be the process. It takes up to 20 to 30 days to complete all the implementation part. So any questions? Please let me know if you have any questions in this. Am I audible, guys? Any questions from regarding this data cloud?